Alright, so good morning everyone and hello world. What we're going to be doing is setting up Java on your own personal environment. So what you can do is quickly open up Google and then just type in JetBrains as you can see on the screen. Give it a second or so, and then once you've done that, all you need to do is just click on the website and just wait for that to load. When you go to the menus, what you want to do is you want to look for IntelliJ IDEA as part of the developer tools options that you've got available there, and then just click on that. And then on the right hand side, you'll have an option to download. So just click on that as well, and you'll get an option to download Ultimate. So don't do that. Just scroll down and then click on the download option for the community edition, as that's completely free to use, as I've just highlighted there. So go ahead, click on that, download it, and then just follow the instructions and get that all set up. So I'll let you get that set up, and then we'll move on to the next part. Okay, so once you've launched IntelliJ, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on New Project, just as you see on my screen. Click on that button. Here you'll have a few options. So the name of your project, so you can enter whatever you want, like Java Basics, like I have, and then just put the location of where you want to save that project folder. So just create one locally, and then create it there. You can choose your language and your build system. We'll cover that later. It's a little bit more complicated. But what you can now select is your JDK. So if you've got that downloaded, if not, don't worry. Just click on the Add JDK and then click on Download. So you can download Java directly to your laptop using this option. And I would recommend using Eclipse Xamarin, same one that I have, but I'm using version 17 and not 21. So it doesn't really make a difference for this, but if you can, try and use the latest version that they have in support. So that's fine. Everything else is okay. They'll add some sample code if you really want it, and there's some advanced settings. And again, we can cover that at a different day. So just click on that and just wait for it to be created. And as you can see, it's loading now. I'm using a bit of an older laptop actually at the moment, so it's not the fastest in the world, but we finally got it started. We've got a file, a main file now. But what we'll do is we will be creating a new class. So what you want to do here is you just want to right click and then click on new and then Java class. And here just type in hello and just leave the class as the selected option. In here you'll have by default IntelliJ will create a public class hello based on the name of the class that you're creating. What you want to do is just add a function for main here. So you need your main function to run your code, and then what you want to do inside here is you want to do system.out.println. So that means print line, and then in quotes you can put hello world just like you would in any other language. And what we'll go ahead and do is we'll just run this file. At the top you'll see a green button, which I'm just going to click on now, and just wait for that to build and execute, and it should hopefully give you some output. So we'll let that run for a couple of seconds as then it builds. Again, it's a bit on the slow side, but we move. We'll let that go ahead, and you can see here that it says that the package system does not exist. So we've clearly made a mistake here, and it's just a bit of a typo. So we'll quickly just change that small s into a larger S, and you see on the IntelliSense we'll get system. So we'll put that in correctly, remove the extra bits that have been caught there, and then we'll rerun the file. We'll let it build again, and hopefully it should give us our expected output. So again, it's running right now, and just be a little bit patient if it's your first time. And again, it's passing all the resources. And hooray! Now we can see that in our output in our terminal, we've got hello world. So you've officially created your first Java application, and really only took a couple of minutes. So on to the next episode.